First at 10, a disturbing case out of Luzerne County is moving forward. Thanks for joining us. I'm Aaron Leedy.
And I'm Ann Laree. The man accused of murdering a volunteer firefighter and leaving her body burning by the roadside in Hazelton appeared in court today. Fox
56's Elizabeth Hakis brings us the latest from the preliminary hearing in the case of the Commonwealth versus Terence Ray.
This morning at Luzerne County Courthouse, Judge James Dixon ruled there is enough evidence to move forward with the trial of the murder case of 39-year-old Jessica Lockwood, a firefighter from Frackville who was found dead along Club 40 Road in Hazelton back in April. Officer Dalton Payne was dispatched to the scene for what was reported as a mannequin on fire, but a photo of body cam footage showed in court as evidence revealed it was the burned body of Lockwood. Prosecutors say Lockwood died from a gunshot wound to the chest and blunt force trauma to the head after arranging to buy painkillers from Terence Ray, a man her husband James Lockwood knew as OG and had bought pills from before. James Lockwood, who is currently incarcerated on aggravated assault charges, testified about the transaction. Hazelton detectives say surveillance and flock camera footage helped track Ray's vehicle in the area around the time of the incident, between 5 and 7 a.m. on April 27th. Lockwood's own car was later found abandoned just steps from Ray's home. Inside Ray's home on Muir Road, investigators found evidence they say ties him directly to Lockwood's death, including blood in garbage cans, a pool of blood in the basement, and a single diamond-studded earring. Detectives testified that earring closely matched the one still worn in Lockwood's left ear. The right earring was missing. Additional forensic evidence, including Lockwood's blood, was reportedly recovered throughout the property, though officials say some lab results are still pending. Jessica Lockwood was a mother, a volunteer firefighter, and a trustee with the Harwood Fire Company. Her final text sent at 2:33 p.m. the day before she was found read, "Here, I have to get my son." Ray's defense attorney John Pike argued the prosecutors failed to provide sufficient evidence, asking the court to dismiss the charges. But Judge Dixon disagreed, binding over charges of criminal homicide, abuse of a corpse, and tampering with evidence for trial. Ray remains held without bail at Luzerne County Correctional Facility. In Luzerne County, I'm Elizabeth Hakis with Fox 56 News, First at 10.